Okay, so it looks like we are back again with Neo stock. We are seeing a very strong recovery today of 6.12%. This comes off of the back of a major gap down that we have seen in the last couple of days. This comes, of course, on news of the share offering. Now, as I said in the last video that we filmed, I did mention the fact that if we didn't see these levels hold up, if we didn't find the support soon, ideally it could be, as I said, around 530. It was actually a bit higher. If we didn't see those levels hold up, there was every potential that the stock went lower, significantly lower even potentially. However, what have we seen? We've seen those levels hold, we've seen an absolutely perfect bounce up, and now it's almost like that never happened, that drop. We're now seeing this one come right back up to where we were just a few days ago. We're finding support levels above critical points that we found previous supports at 596, and we are actually breaking back into the $6 range. This is very, very incredible. At the same time, the indicators are now cooling right off. Neo stock is leaning somewhat more towards the oversold side, not fully there yet, of course, but certainly more towards that side now, after the recent decline we have seen in share price. The question then becomes, where do we go from here? Over the course of this video, I'll be sharing with you all of my personal thoughts and opinions based on everything that we've seen. Remember though, this is not financial advice. If you do enjoy the videos, make sure to leave a like on them and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. So yeah, now we've said all of that, wow, what a strong recovery for Neo, and it looks like we are breaking back into and past key critical levels for the stock. Again, we are breaking past those support levels that we needed to see. We're breaking to the upside. We are now holding on to support levels slightly higher at 603, which we've seen, both here and way back here too. Holding $6 into tomorrow is going to be extremely important. Now, of course, there is a lot of volatility around this stock at the minute. You would kind of expect that, especially based on the news, especially based on the general trend over the past few weeks and months anyway. But this, to me, is looking like a very interesting position for that potential of a turnaround. What are the key levels that I am looking for with Neo stock? Well, here for me, it's very, very simple. Like I say, $6 needs to hold as a support for a number of reasons. Number one, it's previous support levels. Number two, it's a psychological point to a lot of people. Now to the upside, it's also very simple. We need to break above critical levels, which are now going to be around 630. We then need to break above levels which are going to be around 655. Then we need to break above levels at 665 and all the way up to 680 for a potential push onto $7. Ultimately though, to give a little bit of a brief analysis of everything that we've seen and a sum up, I'd say that today has been an incredibly strong day. This could have not really played out better in my opinion for Neo. I think things are looking really, really good, all considered. And I think this does put us back on the potential, possibly, for even stronger growth into the next couple of days. This is absolutely brilliant. And again, we'll see how things actually play out. So I'm giving you guys the levels to the upside that I'm looking for, the levels to the downside. Again, it's not my job to make an opinion for you guys, but these are just a few of the levels and numbers that I personally am paying attention to. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope I'll see you again.